Okay, so there are two types of calculators, and I wanted to show you this. So again, tonight your homework, the first 8 problems on your homework are all calculator based. It literally says use your calculator. Okay, so if you have a TI-30XA, okay, let's say the problem is this. We'll come back to these notes, you guys. Let's say the problem is 32 to the fifth, with the 5th root, okay? So the number in the check mark is the 5th. So if you have a TI-30XA, you're gonna put the 32 in first, then you're gonna hit second, and the key right above the division sign, which says y to the x, and then you're gonna type in the 5, and then you hit equals. Okay? Now, what? Okay, so if you have a TI-30XA, you're gonna type the number that's underneath the radical, which was 32. Then second, and then the y to the x power, and then the number that's in the check mark, which is 5, and then you hit equals. Now, if it comes out to a decimal, which the first 8 on your homework tonight are going to be decimals, let me just show you what I mean by that. Let's say it was 33 instead of 32. Then you would round it. 2.012. That 3, bless you. That 3 tells you to leave the 2 alone, so your answer would be 2.012. Okay? Now, if you have this type of calculator or this one, they're kind of the same, okay? Yep, so let me show you, okay? On these type, you're gonna type in the number that's in the check mark first. So you're gonna type in 5. Over here, you would type in 5, okay? On this type of calculator, you're gonna hit second, and then there's a little caret key. See this caret key right here? It looks like a little triangle without a base. You click that, and then you would put 32 in. Equals. Now, if you have this calculator, it's the same way. It's second, and then that caret key, just like before, and then 32. And then enter. Just so you know, if it looks different, you still put 32 in, you hit enter, you get 2. So depending on which calculator you have, depends on if you put the root in first and then the number, or you put the number and then the root in first. What questions do you have about your calculator? It's the same one, same way. So if you have a graphing calculator, you're going to type in the root, which is the number inside the check mark, which would be 5. And then you're going to hit math. And you're going to scroll down to the 5, where it has the little X in the check mark. And then you would type in 32. So you type in the root as well. So again, 5, you just hit math, so there's no second for this one. You scroll down to the one that has the X in the check mark, and then you type in your number. What questions do you have on how to use your calculator? Did that help?